Namaste. Hamisha Khush Raho Bitya. I am Jv'n Dr. Lily Trivedi, and today I am going to take a lecture for B.Sc Agriculture second SEM, and the subject is Agriculture Microbiology, and the session is Rhizosphere and Phyllosphere. Now let us see what is Rhizosphere and what is Phyllosphere. Now here you can see the part which is above the soil is called phyllosphere and the part below the soil is called rhizosphere. So phyllosphere in terms of microbiology refers to total above ground portions of the plant as habitat for microorganisms. Now the soil zone is strongly influenced by plant roots, that is the rhizosphere, and it plays an important role in regulating soil organic matter decomposition and nutrient cycling. So rhizosphere processes are major gateways for nutrients and water. Now we come to phyllosphere again. It is further subdivided into colosphere, that means the stem, phylloplane, that means the leaves, anthosphere, that means the flowers, and carposphere, that is the roots. The leaf surface is termed as phylloplane, and the zone on the leaves inhabited by microorganisms is called phyllosphere. The term phyllosphere was coined by Dutch microbiologist Jv'n in 1961 from her observations on the Indonesian forest vegetation, where thick microbial epiphytic associations exist on leaves. Now this term phyllosphere refers to total above ground portion of the plants as habitat for microorganisms. Now the leaf surface has cuticle, and the wax and appendages are also present on the leaves. Now they all help in providing the anchorage to the microorganisms. The leaf surface consists of microbial populations like Pseudomonas, Pseudobacterium, Phytomonas, Erwinia, Sarkinia, etc. Now, and there are so many which have been unidentified. Some nitrogen fixing bacteria like Azotobacter are also present on the leaves. The dominant micro and useful microorganisms are present on the leaf surfaces on the leaf vegetation. Now the phyllosphere, as already said, is a term which refers to total above ground portion of the plant as habitat for microorganisms. Now they provide a niche for nitrogen fixation and secretion of substances which are capable for promoting the growth of plants. Now phyllosphere usually refers to the young field on the surface of young tender leaves. The young leaves result in predominant leaf exudates or leaf diffusates. Now these leaf exudates inculcate amino acid, sugar, and indole acetic acid. So here you see on the phyllosphere is present the fungus, and this is the fungus, and which is also in a phyllosphere. Now, whatever disease are present as leaf spot disease or leaf, any disease which is present on the leaf is coming under leaf phyllosphere. Now let's come to rhizosphere. Is a narrow region of soil that is directly influenced by the root secretions and is associated with soil microorganisms. Now these rhizosphere contain many bacteria and other microorganisms that are sloughed off plant cells and termed as rhizodeposition, and the protein and sugars released by the roots. Much of the nutrient cycling and disease suppression that is needed by the plant occur immediately adjacent to the root due to root exudates and communities of microorganisms. So they produce allelochemicals to control the neighbors and relative plants. Now in rhizoplane also, there is the outer rhizoplane and the inner rhizoplane. Now what is the effect of rhizosphere? Now there is the enhancement of the growth of soil microorganism resulting from the physical and chemical alteration of the soil and the contributions of excretions and organic debris of the root within rhizosphere. The great rhizosphere effect is seen in bacteria more as compared to actinomyces and fungi. Protomyces and algae have very less effect. The gram-negative, non-sporulating rod-shaped bacteria are predominantly present in the root region. The abundant nitrogen-fixing and phosphate-solubilizing bacteria are present in the rhizosphere from agronomic point of view. The microbial biomass acts as a source and sink for plant nutrients, and the type of plants, the nature of root exudate, and the soil conditions also influence the rhizosphere microorganisms. Now let us compare the characteristics of rhizosphere and phyllosphere. Now if we define, the rhizosphere is the soil around the root of the plant where microbial activity is high, whereas the phyllosphere is the surface of the leaf inhabited by microbes. The exudates. Now the plant exudates of rhizosphere are mainly organic matter such as carbohydrate, amino acids and vitamins. In phyllosphere they are amino acids, glucose, fructose, sucrose. The microbe interaction. Now rhizosphere microbes establish interaction with the root by inhabiting the soil around the root, whereas the phyllosphere microbes establish interaction with the leaf by inhabiting on the leaf surface. Now, what type of microbes can be present in the rhizosphere? They are aerobic or anaerobic and they promote, and in the phyllosphere they are aerobic only. Now, effect on the plants. Now, the rhizosphere promotes plant growth. They carry out various geochemical transformations in the soil. They increase the amount of plant nutrient in the soil and they produce plant growth promoting hormones and protect the plants against pathogens. Whereas the phyllosphere promotes plant growth mainly by producing plant growth hormone and protecting against pathogens. They have no role in the biogeochemical transformation. Now the examples of rhizosphere, rhizobium, azotobacter, clostridium, trichoderma, etc. Pseudomonas also. Now phyllosphere, they are alternaria, cercospora, pseudomonas, begonia, and many others. So this is all about the phyllosphere and rhizosphere. These are the references from which I've taken my work. So I now thank you and I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve it soon. This digital session was powered by 2.0 version of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Namaste and thank you.